In a stunning turn of events, music mogul Sean "Diddy" Combs was denied bail and ordered to jail. This follows a bombshell indictment on federal charges, including sex trafficking and racketeering. Combs, known for his lavish lifestyle, now faces a lengthy trial and potential imprisonment. The judge cited the seriousness of the allegations and Combs' potential flight risk. Combs' arrest sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry. The charges stem from a lengthy investigation by federal authorities. Prosecutors allege a pattern of predatory behavior spanning years. They claim Combs used his power and influence to coerce women into sexual acts. The courtroom was packed with reporters as Combs appeared visibly shaken. His legal team denounced the charges as baseless. They vowed to fight to clear their client's name. Despite their efforts, the judge remained unconvinced. Combs' passport was confiscated and he was remanded into custody. His next court appearance is scheduled for next month. The news of his arrest has dominated headlines, casting a dark cloud over his career. Federal prosecutors painted a disturbing picture of Sean "Diddy" Combs, alleging he was the ringleader of a criminal enterprise. This enterprise, they argue, revolved around exploiting women for sexual gratification. Prosecutors detailed a pattern of abuse and intimidation. They claim Combs used his wealth and status to silence his victims. Key to the prosecution's case are several alleged victims who have come forward. These women, some of whom were aspiring singers or models, describe being lured into Combs' inner circle. They allege they were plied with drugs and alcohol before being pressured into sex acts. Prosecutors say Combs used threats and intimidation to keep them quiet. Adding weight to the prosecution's case is evidence seized from Combs' residences. This includes firearms, large quantities of cash, and electronic devices. Prosecutors believe these devices contain evidence of Combs' crimes. They are currently being analyzed by forensic experts. The prosecution's case, if proven in court, could send Combs to prison for decades. They are pushing for the maximum sentence, arguing that Combs is a danger to society. The gravity of the charges and the mounting evidence against him paint a grim picture for the music mogul. Combs' high-powered legal team vehemently denies all charges. They claim their client is the victim of a witch hunt by overzealous prosecutors. They argue the alleged victims are motivated by money and fame. They accuse the prosecution of using Combs' celebrity status to further their careers. Combs' lawyers highlight his philanthropy and community involvement. They are confident that once all facts are presented, Combs will be exonerated. The legal battle is shaping up to be a high-stakes showdown. Section 4. A cloud of past allegations shadows Combs' legacy. This is not the first time Sean "Diddy" Combs has faced accusations of misconduct towards women. Over the years, there have been whispers and allegations of inappropriate behavior. While Combs has never been convicted of a crime, these past allegations are now resurfacing. They are casting a long shadow over his legacy. In 2001, Combs was acquitted of weapons charges stemming from a nightclub shooting. However, his then-girlfriend Jennifer Lopez was with him that night. The incident raised questions about Combs' temperament and judgment. More recently, Combs' ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura accused him of emotional and physical abuse. While Ventura never filed criminal charges, her allegations further tarnished Combs' reputation. These past allegations, coupled with the current charges, paint a troubling picture of Combs' treatment of women. Section 5. The music industry reacts to Combs' shocking arrest. The music industry is reeling from the news of Sean "Diddy" Combs' arrest. Combs, a towering figure in hip-hop and R&B, has wielded immense power and influence. His arrest has sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving many wondering about the potential fallout. Some artists and industry insiders have expressed their support for Combs. They are standing by their friend and colleague, proclaiming his innocence. Others have remained silent, perhaps waiting to see how the legal proceedings unfold. The allegations against Combs, if proven true, could have far-reaching consequences for the music industry. They highlight the dark side of fame and fortune. They raise uncomfortable questions about the power dynamics between men and women in the entertainment world. Combs' arrest is a stark reminder that no one is above the law. It is a wake-up call for the music industry to address issues of sexual misconduct and abuse of power. Section 6. Investigation ongoing, potential for further arrests looms. As Sean "Diddy" Combs sits in jail awaiting trial, the investigation into his alleged crimes continues. Federal authorities are not ruling out the possibility of further arrests. They believe others may have been involved in Combs' alleged criminal enterprise. Prosecutors are urging anyone with information to come forward. They are offering protection to witnesses who are willing to testify against Combs. The investigation is far from over. It has the potential to ensnare other high-profile individuals in the music industry. The coming weeks and months will be crucial for Combs' case. His legal team will be working tirelessly to build a defense. The prosecution will continue to gather evidence. The outcome of this case remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: Sean "Diddy" Combs' life and legacy will never be the same.